Good morning to all of you, my students. I have told you yesterday to discuss what is metaphor and analogy. So today I am going to discuss this point. First, what is metaphor? मेटाफर क्या है, किसे कहते हैं? मेटाफर इज ए डायरेक्ट कंपेरिजन एंड सिमिली इज इनडायरेक्ट कंपेरिजन. In simile, I have already told you 4 words as, like, seem and appear. But in metaphor, none of the above words. मेटाफर में कोई शब्द से कंपेरिजन नहीं रहेगा, डायरेक्ट कंपेरिजन रहेगा. इट इज ए फिगर of a speech in which comparison is made between two dissimilar objects without words like, as, seen and appear. It is a figure of a speech in which comparison is made between two dissimilar objects without words like, as, seem and appear. इसमें as, like, seem and appear नहीं रहेंगे, डायरेक्ट कंपेरिजन रहेगा. अगर विथ के विदाउट के जगह विथ हो जाएगा तो ये सिमिली हो जाएगा, है ना. इसको पहले हम लोग चर्चा कर चुके हैं. एग्जाम्पल में माइंड इज ए रेस्टलेस बर्ड. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल, माई फ्रेंड इज ए टाइगर. अब सोचिए, ये क्या है? डायरेक्ट कंपेरिजन. मेरा दोस्त की तुलना किससे कर दिया? टाइगर से, है ना. सी इज फ्लावर, वो फूल है, ऐसी तुलना हो जाएगा तो मेटाफर हो जाएगा. अगर रहेगा सी इज लाइक ए फ्लावर तो सिमिली हो जाएगा. ठीक है, देखिए इसको इतना लिखिए. इसके बाद हम लोग आते हैं व्हाट इज एलजी पर. व्हाट इज एलजी, मिटा रहे हैं इसको. क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज एन एनर्जी. एन एनर्जी इज ए sort of poem in which the poet laments over death someone near and dear. एलजी मीन्स दुखद कविता। कवि का कोई निकटतम व्यक्ति, उसका बिलवेड, फ्रेंड, ब्रदर, कोई भी डेथ कर जाता है, उसके आद में जब कविता लिखता है कवि, तो उसे कहा जाता है एलजी। बहुत से एलजी है, आपको एक एलजी पढ़ना है, वही उदाहरण दे रहे हैं। एन एपिटाफ, एन एपिटाफ, ये पढ़ना है आप लोग को, और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इस साल के लिए। दूसरा है एग्जाम्पल, ए slumber did my spirit cell। ये दो एग्जाम्पल दिए हम। एन एलजी is a sort of poem in which the poet laments over death someone near and dear. For example, I am going to deliver a lecture on a poem, An Epitaph by Walter de la Mare. Here lies the most beautiful lady, light of a step and heart was she. She was the most beautiful lady of the best country. Beauty vanishes, beauty passes, however rare, rare it be. Then I crumble, who will remember the beautiful lady of the best country? The poet wants to say, beauty is not permanent. It is temporary. It is the subject of death, decay and destruction. The poet loves a lady who was the most beautiful lady of the best country. But one day he died. She died. One day she died. And the poet wrote these lines on her grave. On her grave. And that is an epitaph, means the lines written on grave. Tombstone is called epitaph. A slumber did my spirit cell is a very short poem. The first poem had 55 words, only 55 words, and the next poem had 48 words. दूसरे कविता में कितने शब्द हैं? 48. A slumber did my spirit still. I had no human fears. She seemed a thing that could not feel the touch of earthly years. No motion has she now, no force. Neither hears nor she rolled around earth's tender course with rocks, stones, and trees. The poet William Wordsworth loved Lucy, and he thought Lucy is permanent. She is not a subject of death and decay and destruction like the moon. But one day she died. But the poet has control over his emotions. In this way, we see elegy is a form of poem in which the poet laments over death someone near and dear. Great elegy written by John Milton, Lycidas. Elegy written in country churchyard, a scholar gypsy. These are great elegy of the world. Today, end of the class. Best of luck to all of you. Thanks.